Hello everyone. So today in this video we will discuss about how you update your PHP version in your hosting. So in this video we will use hosting. So this is the PHP update recommendation which you can you see in your WordPress dashboard, and we will update this PHP version. So this is hosting and this is the domain name or website panel. We have to click on manage. So in almost all websites or all servers it is same. So in the search box we will search for PHP. Okay, in advanced settings we have to go in PHP configurations. Okay, in all hosting panels you can search for PHP under your website, or after that you have to choose the PHP version. Like currently is PHP 7.2 and we can update to the latest version which is PHP 8.1. all these are stable versions of PHP, so need not to worry. And we have to select PHP 8.1 and then click on proceed. So it is updated. Okay, yes, PHP version updated successfully. So now let me just refresh it for once. Yes, the PHP recommendation is disappeared, so it means our PHP configuration is complete successfully. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you.